Hey everyone! It's Sarah here, and today, I'm going to talk to you about an exciting health supplement that's been making waves, all-day slimming tea. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy, or simply feel better throughout the day, this product promises some amazing benefits. But before you go ahead and make a purchase, there are a few things you need to know. So, let's get started. First things first, it's super important that you only purchase all-day slimming tea from the official website. Why? Well, unfortunately, there are counterfeit products being sold on third-party sites, and they could be ineffective, or even harmful. By buying directly from the official source, you ensure you're getting the authentic, high-quality formula. Plus, you'll be covered by their refund policy. So don't take any risks, always buy from the official store. Now, let's talk benefits. All-day slimming tea is designed to support natural weight loss in a healthy way. Here's how it works. Boosts metabolism. This tea helps fire up your metabolism, which can make burning fat easier and faster. Improves digestion. It contains natural ingredients that promote better digestion, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Enhances energy levels. Unlike some teas that make you crash, all-day slimming tea gives you sustained energy throughout the day. No jitters, just clean, natural energy. Detoxes your body. The antioxidants in the tea help eliminate toxins from your system, leaving you feeling lighter and more refreshed. Supports better sleep. Interestingly, it even has a formula to help you sleep better at night. So, you're covered both during the day and while you're resting. Using all-day slimming tea is as easy as brewing your regular cup of tea. Simply steep the morning tea for about 3 to 5 minutes in hot water, and you're good to go. For the evening, follow the same process with the nighttime blend. It's really that simple. Just 2 cups a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Plus, it tastes great, with a natural and refreshing flavor. Now, I know you're probably wondering, does it really work? Well, the reviews speak for themselves. Thousands of users have shared their success stories, and many have seen noticeable weight loss results within a few weeks of consistent use. Of course, it's important to pair the tea with a healthy diet and regular exercise for maximum effectiveness, but the tea definitely gives you that extra boost. So, if you're ready to give your weight loss journey a natural, healthy boost, I highly recommend you try all-day slimming tea. Don't forget, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free to try. What are you waiting for? Click the link and start feeling lighter, more energized, and refreshed today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.